Hello everyone, welcome to Heartfelt Forex Weekly Review. The review is for you to get abreast with how we trade our model, which is Heartfelt model. It is a weekly model whereby I give out weekly bias on what to look out for on Eurusd and Gbpusd. If you are joining us for the first time or you've been with us all this while, please make sure to subscribe and like and share to others so that you get prompt notification each time review like this are dropped. Don't forget Saturdays for review on the just concluded trading week. And in the just concluded trading week, prior to that time, I told us that the bias for the week is bearish, that the heartfelt bias is going to be bearish. We want to look out for a bearish move, and I gave us examples in our last analysis. What are you going to look out for? 3 rules to apply. The first one is to make sure price takes off the Asian high. Since we are to go bearish, right? Price take off the Asian high. All right, and the moment price takes off the Asian high, not the Asian low, because we want to go bearish. Don't forget the power of 3: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Then close. All right. So since I said we are to go bearish, you look out for price. The rule number 1 is that price on Euro-USD, GBP-USD should take off the Asian high, while DXY does the opposite. All right, and the moment the price takes off the Asian high from London open or New York, as the case may be, then the second rule is to wait for to watch out for the SMT between Euro-USD and GBP-USD. All right, or DXY. There should be an SMT, a displacement. And once that displacement is observed, the next thing to do is to look out for an order block, right? So price should close below the last bullish candle. Once it closes below it, order block has been created. You take an entry, wait for price to trade into the order block. You take an entry, the high of the other block becomes your stop loss, and you target the previous day low. So here in the chart, this is exactly what happened, and I gave us example during the analysis. Here on the chart, this is exactly what happened on Euro-USD. On Euro-USD, this is exactly what happened on Euro-USD. Okay, on Euro-USD, price opened and right, price went above, right, the Asian high. Price went above the Asian high on Euro-USD. You can see it there. Price went above the Asian high on Euro, but did not take off the previous day high. Just want to show you something there on Euro-USD. But on GBP-USD, you can see here, price also took off the Asian high, and again took off the previous day high. So that is an SMT between Euro-USD and GBP-USD. So 2 of them simultaneously has taken off the Asian high, while GBP-USD took off the previous day high. All right, and Euro-USD failed to take the previous day high. As a crack in correlation. Right. So since that crack has present itself, that means the rule number 2 has been met. Then the last rule is for price to create an order block. All right, price will create an order block. And look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. Price create an order block. So this bearish candle that closed below the low of this last bullish. So the moment this candle closes below, the last bullish becomes what? The order block, and wait for price to trade into it, and this bullish candle trade into what? Into this order block. So the high here become your stop loss, and you target the previous day low. It's as simple as that. You get that now? It's as simple as that. So you wait for price to take off either risk 1 to 2, risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, or price should take off the previous day low. All right, and that is exactly what happened between Euro-USD and GBP-USD, and you can see how price went. So the next day being Tuesday, price retraced upwards but did not hit our stop loss. All right, but still dropped and take off this low here. All right, and went down. So let's check it. It's about 3.67. Risk to reward ratio of 3.67. Don't forget we are targeting risk 1 to 2, and here we have about 3.67. So that is a good trade for the week. And once you are done with this, you should be good if you are disciplined enough to take this trade and wait for it. Now, on Gbpusd, look at what happened. On Gbpusd, right, as at that time to price close below, all right, and retraced into it and dropped, right, and dropped, but did not take the previous day low on Tuesday, right, did not take the previous day low on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, price went back and hit stop loss. But I didn't take Gbpusd, I took Euro USD. The reason is this, listen to this carefully. Why did I trade on Euro USD? Because Euro USD is a failure swing. Anytime you have two correlated pairs like this doing same thing but having a crack in correlation, what you do, trade the one with a failure swing. All right, that means the weaker one among the two. Which one has the failure swing? On Gbpusd, listen to this carefully. On Monday, Gbpusd took off for the high of Friday, the high of Friday. All right, but Euro USD did what? Euro USD failed to take the high. Are you seeing that now? Euro USD failed to take the high. So that this one has, a currency with a failure swing between Euro USD and Gbpusd. So this one has more potential of what? Has a higher probability of hitting our targets because it is weaker. And if it is weaker, it should go more down than what? Than Gbpusd. That's how to know, so that you won't make the mistake of, either taking the two of them. But if you are on the two trade at the same time, the moment the weaker one hits your target, close the other one. All right, close the other one. So as at this point where it closed the other one at 13 here, now let's go to the Gbpusd. At the time where it closed, now this is when price hits the take profit on Euro USD. All right, let me show you. So at a time where Euro USD hits the take profit, price on Gbpusd is around this point here. It's around this point here. It's at 1.29696. All right, 696. So if you are taking the two trades, as at this point, you can collapse the trade and you still make good profit on Gbpusd. But I would advise you to take only the trade on the failure swing, all right, the weaker currency pair between the two correlated pairs, and you should be good for that. All right, let's meet tomorrow as I will be dropping our analysis for the incoming trading week. Please don't fail to subscribe to this channel. You can hop into our YouTube and subscribe and share to others. All right, let's meet tomorrow. I wish you a nice weekend. God bless you.